Hello, everybody. I've got a special treat for you today. I'm here with Claudia, who's currently chowing down on her food next to me here, where Rocky can't reach. And if I flip my... Look what I got. This is not sponsored, but I saw the announcement a while ago that New York Times collaborated with Hasbro to create a Wordle party game. So I had to order that, of course. So today I'm just going to unbox it, but I'm going to see about actually playing this and seeing how that goes. Rocky here wants to go outside. Perfect time for asking about that, right, Rocky? Yep. Okay, so let's see if we can get this open. I get to do the standard one-handed unboxing here. Actually, I'm probably just going to put the phone down somewhere useful. Let's see. Claudia, you want to hold the phone for me? No? Okay. Well, let's see how we want to do this. I am not an unboxing expert here, but I do have a pair of scissors. So let's just put this down. I will cut to having this open so I can actually open it. All right, so I got the plastic wrap cut. Now I can just pull it off. There we go. Hi, Claudia. Are you investigating the Wordle game with me? There we go. All right. So, Wordle party game. Claudia wants the plastic. Okay. So let me stand up here and let's see if we can get this open. This is very difficult one-handed. Now I understand why all the unboxing videos are a bit awkward. There we go. We got Claudia in frame here. Oh, you found more food? You got more in your bowl. All right, what do we have in here? So we have these dry erase markers. It says it comes with 3 of them. Yep, here we go. We got 3 dry erase markers. Put those in there. We've got these tiles. Let me see if I can get this open. All right, I'm just going to dump these into here and I'll clean it up later. Maybe make a resealable baggie for those. So it looks like we've got green tiles and yellow tiles. So I assume those are for putting over the letters. So you can mark whether they are in place or out of place. Claudia also wants to investigate the tiles. We've got this thing here. It looks like I don't have to open it yet. So we've got secret word, player name, with some scores, I suppose. And then Wordle boards here. Maybe I'll open that in a second. What else do we have? We've got, these look like they're for hiding. Little cardboard cutouts to hide your board there. And it does have guessing tips. Let's see what tips we're given. Consider the Wordle host's personality. What kind of word might they pick? Ooh, metagame is the first tip. Start with a word that has a lot of vowels. That's for the Adieu crew, right? Try to use different letters in your second guess. It's all about process of elimination. Don't play hard mode is their third tip. Watch out for those sneaky double letters. Just because a letter is green or yellow doesn't mean it won't appear again. True. Double letters are sneaky. Cross out any letters you've used that are not in the word and mark any letters that are. Alrighty. So there's no gray tile. Instead, you just cross it out. That's not really a tip. That's more of a how to play the game. Actually, it comes with resealable bags. So we can have a bag of green and a bag of yellow. So I'll definitely do that. And then we've got our instructions. So that's it. Let me get this open so we can take a look at these cards a little better, and then I'll do a full review of the game after I've read the instructions and have played it a little bit. So let's get this open. All right, so we've got just this one kind of player scoring card. I guess this goes to, I'm guessing, I haven't read the instructions. This is going to go to the player who's thinking of the secret word and is tracking the different players' guesses. And then we've got, how many of these do we have? We have 3. Let's see here. We've got 3 of these boards here, which look just like Wordle. So we've got 6 places to put our guesses. We've got the keyboard, which you could probably mark on as well. And then, of course, the tiles ought to fit right over those letters, so you can mark them. There we go, just like that. All right, well, full review incoming. This was just an unboxing. Again, this is not sponsored. I just decided to buy it myself. So we have tiles, we have boards, we have a score tracker and the place to put your secret word. And we've got little cardboard hiders here with some amazing tips for how to play Wordle. All right, maybe you can use those tips in your regular Wordle solves as well. I will see you later and stay tuned for the full review.